How can those no signs of construction? 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The victim is breathless.
Keep rest, keep breath.
Air bounces back. Position. Repeat. Air speed bounces back. Please activate the distance of the form of the wheel of the moving. Then, ilan po pressure ng valve? F-valve.
30.
30. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Obstruction C. Sige, that's not.
Remove obstruction.
And then independent control.
LLF.
Air pass through.
LLF.
Air stream pass through. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The victim is under cardiac arrest. Please reactivate when we start the report of the wheel including CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sabi ni Clay, paano ako? Sabi?
Sabi mo sa barangay.
Sabi ko nilang tayo.
Hindi, sabi mo may barangay naman eh. Kaya lang.
The victim is revived. Nag-revive na, susubukan ang pasyente. So, as natin yung mga ayaw malapit na kami sa'yo, i-dying position. And do not react na yung electroexamination. Back of the head, the recap to telen. Ano yung recap to telen? Deformity, is conclusion, it is
Abrasion.
Puncture.
B.
Big burn.
T. Tenderness. L.
Laceration.
Sa pagka.
Stab. Hindi.
Sa pagka.
Swelling.
Okay. Then, tender column. Top. Ascent column. Upper back. Pag di capitalis. Lower back. Pag di capitalis. Okay. Forehead to head. head, no decapital rest. Eyes, equally reactive to light, kailangan pwede with flashlight.
Flashlight.
Ears, no secretion. Ano pala na sa tenga? Ilang kulay?
Yellow.
No. Red, black. Yung kulay white, wala pa, pero walang amoy.
So,
Cerebro,
spinal fluid.
and injury or spinal cord injury. Yung kulay dilaw na po sa cheek, equal to jugular vein extended. Makaya intermedial ito. Shoulder end. Clavicle shoulder is flat. Ano ito gumawa niya? Ito yung madadali ka diyan. Pero may yung abdomen, upper, lower, abdominal tinitigas. Pag walang tinga, naramdaman yung pasyente. With bone, intact. Okay. Yung mas malayo yung paa natin. Okay? Thigh, left, capitalis, kneecap, tuhod, left.
Yes. So,
Thigh, neck, capitalis, kneecap, left. Leg, capitalis, pedal pulse,
No, di pa ka ano?
decapitalis.
Decapital.
kasi natin, kita 1, 1,001, 1,002. Pag bumalik yung 2 seconds, bumalik yung kulay, okay. Okay? Right thigh, capitalis, kneecap, up. Leg, left right, capitalis, pedal pulse present. Then feel 1,001, 1,002, okay. Nalilin yung paa niya. Third, can you push? Can you pull? Pag sumusunod dyan, ibig sabihin nun, wala na siya, may pagkakalit ko, ganyan siya. Okay? Then, ayun yung habulin sa mga ba, can you feel? May nabigay kayo feel nito sa akin na nasa ito siya. Hindi lang normal ito. Okay? Ito ba siya? Right? Ano to? Forearm or arm?
Forearm.
Arm.
Forearm.
Left elbow, tap, forearm, left, capitalis, radial pulse present, capillary field, 1,001, 1,002, okay. Right arm, capitalis, right elbow, capitalis, forearm, right, capitalis, radial pulse present, capillary field, 1,001, 1,002, okay. Third,
Lang lumabas ka kung gusto mo yan.
tapos, ano sunod doon? Habang na yung submission. So, careful siya, tama? After na-careful siya, ano careful siya? Kapag namunta, if the face is straight, raise the
Leg.
tail. Ilang inches? 12. If the face is red, raise the head 90 degrees over the okay? Proper body position. Proper body is giniginaw ng one, nakit wala. Naman lang siya. Then proper, then check the vital signs. Respiratory rate.
Pulse rate.
Pulse rate.
BP.
Kapanakan hindi lang. Pero, BP tayo lang lang siya, diba? Then skin appearances. Tama? After skin appearances, so go to transfer.
Ano yung isang tagtag sa ano, assessment? Sa ano, vital signs? BP, temp, RSVR. Parang may isa pang ano.
Okay? They have properly endorsed the
Last
medical
Ah,
license of properly trained.
Hindi.
Ilang endorsement? Ilang properly guide? Babae. Isa sa'yo, isa?
Hindi, pag may pain lang naman.
Ano yung protest percent?
Pag sa vital signs na, parang ano,
Ito, sir, oh.
ha? Hindi parang feeling ko
Taas
parang
lang po.
dati may
Kung meron daw po nadagdag sa
vital.
pagkuha po ng vital sign.
Kung may nadagdag sa pagkukuha ng vital.
Or yung apat pa rin po.
Okay, dito po. Planning po, Montana.